I will be showing you guys a simple but powerful trend line strategy that actually works, right? First of all, I'm gonna show you how to draw trend lines the proper way, right? I know there's quite a lot online nowadays, people showing you how to draw trend lines, but this right here is the proper way to draw it, because what you notice is trend lines aren't just lines that you draw, but instead trend lines are zones, as you can see, right? Because we've got a bounce here, a bounce right here, but it's chopped out of the trend line a little bit, came back in, another bounce, chopped out a little bit, came back in, another bounce. And what you notice is that price is not respecting this trend line as much as we want it to. Therefore, we have to draw a zone, right? Now, all you have to do is duplicate your trend line and extend it to the bounces, to the peaks of the price that got out of the first trend line, right? Now you have a zone, right? Now, whenever price comes to that zone that you've drawn, I've got something else for you to add onto the source, which is your stochastic, right? I'll give you two examples, right? Now, whenever price comes to your zone, right, and your stochastic is oversold, I'll give you an example here. Now, before I tell you, you're gonna have to wait for third touch, right? Third touch, always. Third touch, stochastic is overbought, right? What do? You wanna sell. Simple as that. Take your profit, 1 to 2 is fine. Sell, right? Now, what do we have here? Stochastic, overbought, trend line bounce. Take a good sell, and you're in profit. Now, as you can see, this was the counter trend. The trend line eventually got broken, as you can see right here. Now, price is forming what we call higher lows. As you can see, price is forming higher lows. Therefore, you want to repeat the process here. Draw your trend line. As you can see, draw your trend line. Now, be careful. If your trend line is too steep, be careful. You want to probably make it something like this, of that sort. Now, as you can see, this was quite kind of invalid. There was no trade here. As price breaks out, you want to do the same thing. Draw a trend line. As you can see, that was kind of invalid. I think we had one trade here, but then let's try another one. Price broke out of the trend line, and you can see this strategy works. You just need to make sure that you only follow these set of criteria. All right. If you need further guidance, message me in the comment section and I'll happily help you. Thank you.